Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Here's a little short video on the Skar audio, the little 6.5-inch subwoofer I installed in the rear seat side panel in my 2001 Camaro SS, which is right there. Sounds pretty good. I just got them set up for a little bit of mid bass and a little bit of lower bass. I got two 10-inch Alpine Type R's running my regular bass. But this is actually a person I know that's him and his son's band, so shouldn't hit any copyright problems on YouTube with this one. Anyway, just wanted to show you a quick video. Just a short one, short demo. I got it in the other side over here. My new Kenwood. Running my phone. My iPhone 10 hooked up to it. Apple CarPlay, actually, I believe it should be showing it. Anyway, if you like this video, hit me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, please. Please, please. Anyway, y'all have a good day.